Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the owner of Camelot Window Cleaning. We are a family-owned and operated company that has been servicing the greater Nashville area for over 10 years. Check out our video on residential window cleaning. At Camelot Window Cleaning, our staff is background checked, friendly, and insured. We are proud of our reputation, and we take every effort to take care of your home and furniture while we are cleaning your windows. If we need to move anything, we'll be sure to put it back when we're finished. We always wear booties to protect your floors from outside dirt and germs. Our window cleaning packages are great for everyone on a budget or for those of you looking to give your windows the royal treatment. We even have packages starting at $185. Camelot window cleaners use high-quality cleaning products that are non-toxic and pet-friendly, along with professional tools. We have been delivering stunning, streak-free results to the greater Nashville area for over 10 years, so call us today. Our estimates are always free, and be sure to watch our other videos on our pricing and estimate process, screen cleaning, and hard water removal.